It's 2026 and Facebook doesn't allow you to share your content to more than one group at a time. I think that's ridiculous. That's where this Chrome extension is going to solve your problem. When you click on the share button on Facebook, normally what you'll see is this button here. When you click on it and want to share to groups, you will not see these checkboxes. Have a look. These checkboxes just don't appear. And I think it's silly. I think really Facebook should have these checkboxes which allow you to post to more than one group or to all your groups. And if you're spamming, I guess they can tell you off for that. But since they don't give you these checkboxes, this Chrome extension is going to do the job for you. What it can do, it can actually see all of your groups. Once you install the extension, you can click load all, and then it will load all of your groups just like that. And it will place a checkbox next to each and every group of yours, so you can select the groups you want to post to. Let's just wait for that to load. So great, we've loaded all of my 134 groups. Now, when I click on these, I can literally select some of them or select all of them, and then just click share, and it's going to literally share to all of them. But let me show you something even more amazing, especially for people who do sharing regularly. There's this function called group presets, as you can see over here. When I click on it, what it does, it actually is lists of groups that you've already posted to in the past. So for example, here's a group preset I've sent to the past to this two groups. So if I click on apply preset, what's going to happen, it's actually going to apply this list of groups right now. So I click apply preset, and then it's going to select those two groups. The amazing thing, the reason why this is so important and why this is just going to save you so much time is because you don't have to waste your time searching for the same groups each time. So for example, if I had a list of groups, let's say these 5 groups, and I click on share to these 6 groups, for example. Now I can actually save this as a group list preset. So if I click on that now, I can actually give it a name. Let's call it my local groups 2026, and now I've got them saved in one place, so I never have to look for them ever again. Now that's just a time saver in and of itself. As you can see, my group preset is saved, and all of this we've done without ever clicking the Chrome extension. We didn't even have to click the Chrome extension. After that, you can put your post content like hello everyone, check this out. And then when you click share now, what you're going to see is it's literally going to start sharing to one group at a time. It's going to type the post content that we wrote just earlier over here, and then it's going to just literally post it. But I don't really want to post that because it's not really relevant. This is just a demo. Okay, so someone else's video is just popping up right now. Let me just stop that. All right, so you get what I mean. It's called Multiple Group Share Assistant. It's in the Chrome store. Or you can go to our website, which is solations.com, link in the description, and then you'll see all of our Chrome extensions. Now, apart from Facebook and this type of automation, we also have for WhatsApp exactly the same idea. It's called 5+, and it's a Chrome extension as well, and it does exactly the same thing. So for example, if I was going to click on a message on WhatsApp and then click share with 5+, I could actually share to all of my groups, or do the same thing, select a list of groups just like I showed you earlier, and then share to 12 location, because WhatsApp is just as annoying as Facebook. It only lets you share to 5 at one time, 5 batches of 5. So we have a solution for Facebook, unlimited sharing, and WhatsApp, and this specific Chrome extension for WhatsApp and or Facebook is so good because it protects your account from being banned, because it actually mimics human behavior. It's not like bots or APIs. It's literally mimicking human behavior. And if you go into the settings inside the Chrome extension, if you actually click on the Chrome extension, you can actually decide on the a randomization. Let me just show you what I mean, so that you can protect your account. So if I click share groups, and then I click on the Chrome extension, let me just zoom in here for you so you can see it. Here it is. You can actually create a randomization over here. How much delay between each post. So you can put 10 seconds and a random delay before it shares to those specific groups. All right, I was Daniel, your host. This was Multiple Group Share Assistant. the safest way possible to share to multiple groups, just doing all your work for you while you can do things that will make you more money and save you more time. Remember, on our website, solations.com, the link is on this page. You'll be able to find tons and tons of money making and time saving Chrome extensions. So make sure you follow us so that you never miss any of our amazing, basically business entrepreneur helpers. These will help you get your business and work done quicker so you can finally come home earlier and make the money you always wanted. See you in the next one.